Okay,
I'll go
I
God of our ancestors, we invite you all to this great pilgrimage of our land, Oligo. Obiwe, Akelenge. Adimama, Ledimama. Adimama. Anu bara kune John. O kili kaja kuko si ari. Holy Bokunyo. The pilgrimage is complete. And Oligo must remain free. Obigwe, you are indeed the lion of Oligo. And you have successfully completed the rites and purification of our land. All that is left is for Pitime to reign upon us the blessings that comes with the feast. Oliver Kwenu! Oliver Kwenu! Oliver Mamano! Hey people! This is the right time for us to delink our wine and celebrate! It is the time for merriment! And then there are just music of one respect that, I will like the damn dance. And then the... Thank you very much. The eyes of the gods. You are welcome. We all have been expecting you. Oh, you know? But yeah, I hope you brought better news this time.
Your Highness, I have brought the message you fixated.
What? Speak.
For the third time, you have sent us to the oracle. And for the third time, we have brought the message to the oracle.
And what is the message?
There is problem, Your Highness. Pretty remains the same. She says
that
you failed to receive a third warning to postpone the visit until the crown in this palace has been removed. It's not my concern. We sent me to confront your oracle, and I must deliver the message.
Calm down. Why are you telling her to calm down? I now speak, and you speak back.
No respect.
It's okay. Yeah. From today, never more the dead or the living set their eyes on you. No leave for This is an abomination. It is an outrage. You cannot send your move of Olibo into exile. Yes. I will do as I please. Where's Wani? Wani! What is your duty in this palace?
Your Highness, I attend to the palace now, Your Highness.
Very good. Yeah. From today, you will take over the duty of the abomination.
Let it be. The oracle does not change.
Your Highness.
Please, consult the oracle and deliver the message. You may leave. God! Take these evil women out.
There will be no need for that. I shall leave just as I have come. Man cannot bear it. Man gets it. I have seen boys of your type.
No boys.
Boys of your type. And not one of them has seen us.
Yeah.
Your doom is here. And I wait for you. Cheer! Arrow.
Give a twat. Come on, get away from me.
This is my family. You have done the abominable.
It's a lie.
And your head will carry it. Ezedi, do you want to serve me or not? Ha! Obigwe, you know my position in this palace. I will take my leave now. Very good. What is your position in this palace? I prepare your royal message. Very good. From this moment, you will replace the SAD. What do you mean by this?
Did you then watch your tongue?
You are warning me. You all want to act like children in my palace. Listen, I have made this decision, and so shall it be.
has forced you to depart the company of Amway. I know she believes. Listen to my endless cries and save me. My heart aches for succor. My eyes are turned into nightmares. My dreams are turned into frightful nightmares. Who can goodness of the helpless? Show me a sign of hope. I ask not for the throne that was unseen. Nor do I have time to bring back my son to me. Comfort the broken heart.
Oh, God, death of the Kitime. Bless my son. Turn his foes into his footmats. May the sun never set on his way. Oh, goddess of the Kitime. Bless my son. Who is there?
Is it?
Shut up. Are you there? I said, who is there? Come here again. It is you again.
Yes, no. It is me. And today, Kitime will get my child.
But you should know that your God here never got you. You don't say.
No. Let her wait, oh. So she may be a witness to what will be allowed to do.
I pity you. Yes, I pity you. Oh, you don't pity yourself.
What does it matter? What my present situation in life is, whether I die or I live, makes little difference. Suffering is second nature to me. I know one knows it better than you know me. Your heart has taught me the value of silent suffering. It has mingled with patience and hope for justice. But I believe that one day, the truth about the death of my son, my woman, will be revealed. And that day, these prayers that are so good, and the prayers that are
Now I pity you. Yes, I pity you. You see, it is true that sons are rare and sons are expensive. But let's not jest with God when we choose to do his will. Huh? Obiageli, you of all people should know these things. What we saw acquire, we will believe.
how did your body hear yourself? What we saw, really. Indeed, your tree shall soon bear fruit. And I pray to the gods that by then, the fount of your mercy turns into desert, so you may face what
Sophia! Wow, Obiageli, shut up, dear! You of all people should know that not all souls are meant for you.
true. And if our gods had will that you be known,
Yes.
bear the help return of our offer,
Which he did.
they would have made it so.
Uh-huh.
But it has to be your son and no other. So follow it! You are not seeing anything.
Take out.
Don't touch me! Idiot! I came here on my own accord, and I shall live when I live. But let me remind you that the blood of my son will what? Will wash you through bastard! Will you take her out? You will see the wrath of the mother.
Say what?
Wretched fellow! My son!
Goddess of life. Bless your children. God of all. Bless my husband. Give him wisdom and strength to reign over his own kingdom. Goddess of mercy. Accept my offering. Keep evil without and peace within. Oh God of
Adane, what is it you think you are doing?
what does it look like? The money libation of
Obviously, I am not crying. But I thought I told you to give the money libation to me until the peace
and I told you I shall not do your bidding until you inform the king of your plans.
Apaya, you will be stubborn now, huh?
I will if I hot libation in the palace. I told you a week ago, when you gave these unusual instructions to inform your son of your plans. I have given you enough time to make your plans known in the right quarters. What do you want from me, Ine? The oracle has already sent a frightening message, and there's no time to waste. What is this?
I say you have eaten enough liver to talk to the mother of the king like that, huh? My staff even fell. You could not speak it up. Disrespect. But let me tell you, Adam, huh? You will reap the bitter fruit of this struggle.
That fruit! I want to reap it. Let me reap that fruit.
See how times when your father was alive, then you were very small. You will not be running after all, chasing after all the litter in the courtyard. And that reminds me, I wish we can't because she is getting better. And I hope you received the message. Obigwe, you are really our king. I received your message. Obigwe, that is not all. There is this other pressing matter. Yes. You see, the whole town rumble with the event of your recent unprecedented action. Yeah. Let them all rumble. Besides, I have made this decision. And no one can change it. And your heart. Your heart is not moved by the thought of what your action will bring your people down. Nothing will befall like that. Have you ever heard of any king sending another person of his own choice to confront the other during the big week? Correct yourself, Ochi. I am not any other king. It is very clear now. It is very clear. Or else, you would have chosen to follow the path of caution and of good sense. Caution and good sense, you see. Yeah, Ochi. You only use members. Don't need caution and good sense. It is iron heart, they understand. Obigwe, never agree to God like that. You see, no king, with no matter what strength and influence, have the power to tell the goddess who to receive message from her. Let me tell you this. You see, the who of this kingdom have been the one conducting the oracle. Never has it we have in this community that any king have done what you have done. Never has it we had that the who of this kingdom was one to be a one. Yeah, Oji. Sorry, Master Oji. I can see you don't have any good news from my real ears. Yeah? Let me excuse myself. Even when I cock your ear, the oracle have pronounced doom to fear because of an unrevealed crime in the palace. And just yesterday, you have created another crime to destroy all of us. Oji. Yeah? I have committed no crime. I have been sitting down, and because I keep quiet, doesn't make me a fool. I know how the Oni is a members, and your move. You have been wrong. Yeah. You better shut up and listen. Nonsense. 2 months. Just 2 months after my termination, they are all back at it again. From where they stopped with my father, telling me, Emene, I should not be with my people during the peace week, or even usher them into the new year. That has never been done before. In only people, to fear. And they call her Diomu. Obigwe, don't go there. I'm still talking. It is true none of my predecessors has ever exiled Diomu, or even changed who receives message from the oracle. But listen, none of my predecessors has faced such solid rock of enemies. I won't take that same footstep like my father. I won't make that same mistake. And listen, Oji, this is not about emotion or being sentimental. But any of the Olinzele members or the Omu member that crosses my path, yeah, sorry. Wait, it is not like that. I was only worried about you. Worry too much. It is a very bad time. A very bad time to be a young king. And Florence, in case you don't know, let me tell you this. You see, a good king is not just one who provides his blessing with the subject of life, but one that has the heart of a lion. But I'm choosing to walk along the roadside. You have that heart. What I said, yes? I don't need your good sense. Yeah. You have been talking too much. Leave my father. How is it? I am your godfather. But you leave your father. Yeah. Oh. Let's go. Amanini. You see, the house life. That is business to listen. We follow the course. To regret.
It is even a good thing that you are doing. Good news for our king. Look at one of the idiots I was telling you. Look at you like hard-working Steve. The king that is ahead was meant to carry the royal crown of Igbo. The one that will continue to sit on our throne for many years to come. Should I sit down?
You're welcome. Your legs have moved like the speed of an animal. And I am eager to listen to you. Yes?
Only one. I have obeyed the order of my daughter. And the oracle has sent me with a message.
Let me stop. That speak. Speak.
I went to the oracle and to our mother in Kitime, and they say as well that you are a great king with a great king. They say that your reign as a king. They say problem may come, confusion may arise, but with a great king like you, the truth and the right shall always be victorious. Obiwe, that is not all. Ikutime says that before you carry the problems of Oni to the gods, that you are certain that every place, I mean every single place in this palace is clean and in order. Yes. That is all the oracle has said for you.
One.
Your Highness.
Mother of all mothers.
Your Highness,
Your tongue has spread joyously a lot of it. And I have heard you. And believe me, I will do the biddings of the oracle. For those that sit by down,
Those ones.
may they perish.
He said, all of you, go home and eat your hands in shame.
Bring some refreshment. That's my
That
own.
is now you are talking, Obiago.
I know.
Please hurry up. But Obiago, before he comes with the wine, there is one thing I also wish to add. You see, in this our land, Oligo, it was one of the former kings that made it a law that only the Omu should be sent to go and consult the oracle and take us into the this week with the message. But Obigo, a king such as yourself, that is high and mighty, you can change that law anytime you find it destructive. Because you see the Olinzele members and the Omu members, they want to bring you down like your father. But Obigo, hey, don't allow that to happen. Hey, be fast. Obigo, all for me. All for me, Obigo. Hey.
You all dance well. What is it that? She danced just the way I used to dance when I was a girl.
Thank you,
Okay.
Mama.
What is making you practice so hard?
Mama, ask her. Oh. I'm only glad you noticed me. For the past 1 week now, I've been practicing all my moves. And you know that tomorrow morning is the peace week. I need to show the king all that I've been deserving. The unreplaced husband wife with me. Ambitiousness. Let the gods forbid. Isn't now a queen of stripes? You want to marry that? Yeah.
Is it not the king? What is the problem with marrying the king?
Mama, I can tell you that it's not been very good.
What was?
People are saying that the king is only an imposter on the throne. It's his mother.
I don't want to hear it. Can you imagine this girl? This girl will put me in trouble. See, that's what people are saying. Walls have gates. Don't let anyone kill me.
Leo,
Hi there.
I have not seen your husband in a long time.
Very fine.
How are you doing, my dear? I'm fine. Oh, God! Oh, God! The great farmer! The one who plants yam and reaps cocoyam. You are I can see that your wife is taking care.
You can say that again, but it's not where are you going with your mother?
My wife.
Well,
She sends me to the bush to get her. Is that how this pregnant woman do this?
that's my friend. When my wife was pregnant, that was how she told me to go and get her unripe cashew and then crayfish. What is crayfish, my friend?
I don't know what to say. The other night, my wife woke me up and said, I'm hungry. Please get me cowfish. I said, Amaka, what is cowfish? Exactly. Ikechi. Tell your father I will come back later for the farmer.
Alright, nice.
But at least now that I have it, I will be able to use it for the fish.
Are you sure you're going to have any fish? We also went the big way, banished your move, and the Ezedivia is nowhere to be found. So I'm not sure we are going to have any fish with my friend.
But I'm pretty sure that one will.
What is there? This one I am talking to you while you are frying your food.
Obi, is it not your mother? I'm tired, though, Obi. I'm very tired.
Yeah. What is my mother?
Obi, she keeps embarrassing me everywhere in this palace. The last time she did it in front of the maiden.
You had a confrontation with my own mother.
Obi, she broke my libation receptacle. I only insisted that she informs you of her plans. That is all, Obi. That is all, oh.
Was that why you had a clash with her?
Obi, I have to perform my duties. Eh?
You people will not let me rest. Every time you see that you or my mother, what do you want me to do?
Obi, talk to her.
I should talk to my mother.
Yes.
I will talk to you. Is that all?
That's all.
Stand up. Turn around. Hey! Come and sit down on my lap.
Eh? You want to tell me you don't know why I am here?
I do not know why you are
And tell me, swear by imprisonment, you don't know why I am here.
I don't know why you are here.
Let me show you. You know that that meat you love.
Shall.
I will get it. Just calm down. You will have to eat. Before you eat. Who is he? Anyone. What do you want? Nah. Tell them I'm not interested.
Emma, wait! Hi, he said the members of the governing body, and they must see as everything matters affect the outcome.
You are going beyond.
I'm sorry, Obi. I'm only saying this because of what I have seen and what I hear, Obi.
I have nothing to say to you.
My king. My king. A busy king like you is not expected to see everything that happened in this palace. Too many things happen. That is above your notice, Obi. But your mother knows a lot.
My own mother.
Yes, my king.
Ada, what does my mother know that I don't know?
Obi, a lot. A lot that she's afraid of. I have never heard in any kingdom that the mother of the king pours libation in the palace. Obi, I am very sure that your mother knows something. Else, she will not tell me to leave the money libation to her.
Ada, that aside. You know mothers. They must care for their children. She's only doing this because of me. Chelu. Enuma.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah. Please tell the Olins members that I am on my way.
Yes, my lord.
Adam, you should know I'm only doing this because of her.
No, my king, I know.
Adam, Mama!
Come out, I want to talk to you.
I'm coming.
Wow. Why did it take you so long to answer your mother, huh?
I was busy. Thank God you are here. Mama, what happened between you and my wife?
Meet. Your wife. Nothing.
Why did you take over the money libation from my wife?
You know I'm just being careful. Your wife is careless about everything and I was just being Oh, you make your wife side over me. I remember when I came here.
Let's not go. Let's not go. What is
Your list of the members are seated in the palace.
Yeah, tell them. Let's not go. Come here.
So you can't see them.
Mama, this meeting are only for me. I don't want these people to call me my mother.
Because you are taller than me. Oh, you no longer need me in your life. These are the same people that killed your father. When your father was
Mama, wait, let's not do this.
Wait.
Go. Wait. I will go. Whatever we discuss, I will come back and discuss it. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Promise.
I'm going.
My goddess of peace may be with you, my son, eh?
Talk.
Welcome. You may sit. Much. I was told you have a message.
Yes. Oh, you see just the great Iroko tree by the market square fell down. Yes, that's a big one. Exactly. This same day, two men were found dead by the market square. And this Olivo. At the same time. That is very true.
Oh, big way. Long live India Olinze and my chief. I greet you. You see, may our forefathers and ancestors have mercy upon us. You see, my people, we have a saying that a message does not keep a messenger. A messenger only delivers his message. But you see, whether or not the receiver likes it, that is not the problem of the messenger. Oh, big way. We are more than Christmas messenger, and we have come to deliver the message to you. For the third time.
Shut up! Why do you think you were
Odele Baroku Nesisi. Hey! Only she can feel. You see, my people, when the head gets burned, it definitely smells like a big. Oh, big way. This is a very, very serious matter. The goddess in Pitime is unmoved, as she says, during the first and second confrontation, that a member of the royal family has to come and make public and vital confessions. And the necessary sacrifices also have to be made, Obigwe. Yes. Before we can proceed into the business. Anything other than this, Obigwe, hi! To bring good to you and all of us. That is the message just for you. I have finished.
Yes.
Obigwe.
Is that all you have?
Yes.
Very. Yeah. Just so you know, your positions were expected long before my coronation. Positions. Your blood, I knew about it.
Obiago, how can you say it?
How will you not say it?
Yes.
The New Year Festival, the only time I present myself before my people in full glory. You are telling me, yes, I won't be a king that will be remembered as one who failed to speak. And it matters not to you if you are with me or against me.
Obiago, we are not against you.
Thousand people against me, what will you call that?
Ogini! 3 good times we have consulted the oracle for the sake of love and peace of our people. But the Pitime remains unmoved.
Calm down. You are speaking to the king.
Who is that? Hey! Ogini, who is the king?
Oh, man, not you. I don't want to pity yourself. Odogu, hey! Please, repeat yourself. I thought as much. Yes. From today, I don't want to smell you in this palace.
You are sending me away.
Yes. Guys, take him out. I said this thing before. I said it in this palace. You are challenging me. You see, my people, it is only a castrated man that begins to shudder at the sight of a naked woman. And the mean, Diopajigide, a man that has been leading the royal lineage for many, many years in Anupa. I cannot act like a castrated man in a time like this. You see these Olinzele members, I told you. They went and told the people that the land was corrupt and that Yale's father was responsible for it. That was why he went and killed himself.
In fact, Ugbagi, I am just looking at you. Jojo, it is because of you Odogu is no longer here. Can you hear me? Now, man, look at all those things on your body as if you are a farmland. It is they are holding me. It's not my fault. They are holding me. What the hell? Sit down here. Sit down here. In my palace. That you old fools are acting like children in this one. Yeah? Fact. Leave my palace. Go up. I will meet you. It's not my fault your father. I will meet you. It's not my fault your father was off with you. I'm a man. Take it there. What kind of problem? What kind of problem is it? I think there is truth in what they are saying. I heard that one brought them mistake. That your move brought. That told you. You be able to enter into the game. That a proper sacrifice how to be made. I don't understand all these things you are saying. Haven't I done all the necessary purifications? But you are not the only one in the royal household. You are not the only one. If there is something you are not telling me, I am giving you this opportunity. Yeah, speak. Everyone that a public confession and a proper sacrifice have to be performed before you can enter into the victory code. Before you can enter, you have to let that happen. Watch. Now, tell me who must make this public confession. It is better you find out yourself. Yeah. Tell it is true that you are now part of my enemies. Those that seek my downfall. Okay, I am your godfather. You know I am a godfather. Godfather. It's okay. But if truly you are my godfather, and a man of honor, as you claim, I need you now to tell me who must make this public confession. Find out yourself. Archie, speak now. It is your mother. Huh? Yeah, Archie. Repeat yourself. It is your mother. You must be mad. You stand here, you this old man, and point accusing fingers at my own lady. It is not I who is pointing accusing fingers at your mother. It is the oracle, and the oracle keep pointing at your mother, and not me. Archie, if not for the respect I have for you, let's not go. Please, leave my palace.
Obiatu! Hey! Obiatu, what is it? There is a woman by the name Obiaderi. Yes, I have an audience with you, my lord.
Tell her.
Yes, my lord.
And today, I will leave your father. But before I leave, I will advise you to call your mother and speak with her. Let's no hear. Hear this rubbish that you just told me. I have told you. Talk. Speak with your mother. Talk to me. You are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Will you reign forever?
What brings you to my palace?
Your Highness. Let me. I have been having terrifying dreams. So I have come for your advice.
There's no need for this. Please stand up.
Let me.
What is the dream about?
May pity me. Have mercy on us. For 3 long nights now, I have seen you, my one, clad in white, from head to toe, with an elaborate crown of gold on his head. In one hand, he holds the royal staff, and in the other, the royal mace of office. He comes to me and asks me to precede him wherever. We even visited the public shrine of the city where he offered some silent prayers. But when I asked him to let us come back to the palace, he burst into rage and disappeared.
Ah, no.
That is the dream.
Indeed, his dream is very strange.
I know. I knew it was your favorite person. So I'm wondering if there was any foreign dream that you failed to say. I am mother. I am ready to perform the necessary sacrifice.
There will be no need. I can assure you, there is no problem.
What are you doing here? Mama. Shh. Can you remember what are you doing here? Lord, are you afraid of that? What? That's what? Are you afraid of Who are? You are still too young to fully understand the ways of men. This woman was here this morning. Earnestly praying for your downfall. I heard it. I'm not lying.
This very woman.
This very woman.
Hi.
After I sent her out, she sent her children to come and insult me, your mother. She insulted me, your mother. But Your Highness, I have never prayed for your downfall. Lord, what? Your Highness, why did anyone told you not to enter the peace with you? Because of some certain sacrifices and confession that shut up! It is witch! You are a witch!
Mama, there's no
It is a witch, a witch!
Ah,
And she have yourself in
Mama.
I am a witch that wants to eat my son. Okay.
Mama.
No, it is my one.
Don't do this before this woman.
Okay. Is it not strange that a king enthroned only 2 months after his coronation has the opposition of both God and men? Obi, wait. I'm the Almighty
Mama, you can't be doing this before this people. You are the mother of the king.
Okay.
Mama, nobody will kill me.
You're listening to bad advice. Oh, hold me,
Mama, nothing will happen. Calm down. Don't be doing this before this people. You worry too much.
Our great goddess in Italy,
ritual and a mass victorious.
May our hearts be the kingdom, our actions be protected, and our unity the strength of the land.
May our hearts be the kingdom, our actions be protected,
And our unity the strength of the land.
may our hearts be the kingdom,
Our actions be protected, and our unity the strength of the land.
This is the people! The people! They have captured the palace now! And they demanded war!
What is it? It's okay. Our king. We are great. Once he is done with the prayer.
He's not our king.
Yes!
Tell him to come out and say, let everybody tell him he's not fit to pray to give him for us.
Yes! The premonitions does not want him. Then who is king to do as he pleases? The king must leave the sacred shrine. Yes! The king must leave the sacred shrine. Yes!
Youth of our great kingdom, I plead with you to calm down. I know our king has made some questionable decisions, but you see, this is the morning of his fifth week. We should not be agreeing on this.
Keliana, why are you all protecting him? A king who does not have his at heart deserves to burn.
Yes! You and your family. That's a Libya. Because my son has stripped you of your title, huh? You have decided to raise the people against you. You have failed.
No. Look at me very well. My heart is clean. I come with your child. But the people here are all tired of your son.
Dirty little thing. Let me tell you, he's your king. And there is nothing all of you will do about it.
I see rejection. That can't be. My hands are clean. And the contest knows it. Mama.
Say for them, please. If it is vengeance, we will give you.
I do not want your house. The gods have spoken. Yeah. I don't care. You don't care? My hands are clean. I will go on. Ochi. Leave me to Obigwe. If you try it for the second time, instant death. Hey! Let so be.
The fellow is so my son. My son,
Mama, what is it?
I want to tell you something.
Mama, speak. You are sorry for what? Speak, speaking. Talk now. Speak up.
You see, I was 9 years old. Yet I understood the meaning of pain and suffering. I watched my mother suffer, give us food. So I said to myself, I will not live that same life. So I worked hard and hard. Luckily, your father men thinking I was not sweet dreams. So I said to myself, is it no better to have the heir, the throne, than the brother of the heir?
Big up, woman!
So what? I killed Jimoh.
Mama, you have killed us all. Mama, I trusted you. Even when you told me not to listen to the Olizele members, Mama, I listened to you.
Mama, not you.
Mama,
Mama, not you.
You became king. I'm sorry.
King Kwak.
Just so you know, there is no king without the king.
Mom, I'm sorry. Mom, I'm sorry. I did not mean to do it.
So it was you all along. All the problems that have been caused in our community, because you need to be punished for our community.
The gods have decided.
Why are you all looking at me as if you know wear my shoes and see if you will wear it better. You see her? My son is king. And there is nothing anybody will do. This is a You're not hearing. I'm hearing my son. Hey, wow! Are you hearing me? Who am I talking?